Okay, so now yes, Sakib, can you read this quote?
One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world.
Good
Yes,
morning,
you have to
sir.
explain this quote. Good morning, beta.
Sir, can I explain this thought and read?
Yes, beta, you can.
Thought of the day. One
Very good,
child, one
Sakib.
teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Means one child, one student, and one teacher, and a book and pen can change the world.
Very good, Mama Dabas. Very good. Okay. I hope you all remember what we have done in the last session. पता है सबको? We have done the almost things here. We have almost things completed in the last session. Okay. So we have done that all. Okay. Only we have a left here. What only we have a left the what conclusion and figure. Am I correct? और हमें यहाँ पर सिर्फ ऑब्जर्वेशन सॉरी फिगर बाकी है और क्या बाकी है conclusion. चलो who is going to be read the today's amidst this aim
Sir,
only
can
aim. चलो करो read करो
Sir,
experiment 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 2 aim to verify the law of inertia of the body.
okay now further
sir,
हाँ बेटा बोले बस
सर एक्सपेरिमेंट टू का फिगर कहाँ है?
see
ओह अच्छा.
it's hard huh? But no need to hands draw. Okay, hands draw नहीं करना. First of all, you have to make the what? You have to make the first
पैराग्राफ.
square. Okay, आप लोगों को पहले स्क्वायर बनाना है properly, and then after you have to going to be a made further. Hands draw करना compulsory नहीं है बेटा. Okay,
ओके सर.
चलो और एक फिगर है हाँ और भी एक फिगर है. See that figure. किस किस स्टूडेंट्स ने ये परफॉर्म किया है बेटा घर पर?
सर मैंने वो पहला वाला फिगर किया है, दूसरा वाला समझ नहीं आया था ना, इसलिए वो मैंने किया नहीं.
ओके चलो so आज तो आप फिगर्स में देख लिया देन आफ्टर आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस लेक्चर यू हैव टू explain it. Okay, okay chalo. So first who is going to be recite the apparatus and aim? Chalo Mohammad Zaki. Okay, Sadiq Gujarati beta you have to read the apparatus. Understood all? Chalo who is going to be read? Yes, Mohammad Saqib.
Yes, sir.
Beta you have to read this today apparatus.
Okay, sir. Apparatus. Carom board, carom coins, striker, glass tumbler, smooth card paper, and coin.
Very good. Chalo. Now for the figure. Okay, so start drawing the figure on my dear students. First of all, you have to make the square. Okay, स्क्वायर बनाना है आपको एज लाइक दैट. चलो अभी ड्रॉ करना स्टार्ट कर दो सब लोग. See as like that you have to make the
Okay.
what? Okay, and no need to draw the hands. Understood all of you? As like that you have to make the what? Figure number one. Understood all my dear? So start drawing that figure. चलो Done all my dear. And after I'm going to telling you present your screen and show me, huh? So you have to showing me that you have to present it me what? You have to present it me that PDF. Sorry, that figure. Chalo. Hello. Can you tell me all my dear?
Yes, sir. We are drawing the
Yes.
figure.
Okay, chalo. Okay, after complete this figure, we will going to be draw the next figure. Carom board, piles of coin, and striker. That all important things you are going to be used in this session.
Sir, figure drawn.
Drawn this figure. All my dear students, done beta. Muhammad
No,
Abbas
sir.
done. So do it fast, Khizar. Yes, beta. Very good all. Very good, Khizar.
Sir, done.
Then beta. Okay. What about others?
Sir, I also completed.
Okay. So now start. Note down the. चलो. Now the start. Okay. इसमें भी आपको hands draw करना नहीं है. सिर्फ आपको क्या करना है hands. No need to draw the hands. ओके. नो नीड टू ड्रॉ द हैंड्स. आपको हैंड्स ड्रॉ नहीं करना है. सिर्फ आप लोगों को यहाँ पर टम्बलर, ग्लास टम्बलर, स्मूथ कार्ड पेपर एंड कॉइन ड्रॉ करना है. ओके. डू इट फास्ट ऑल. Then we are going to be like the conclusion. चलो. So done all of you. Do it
Yes,
fast. Chalo. Okay. If you want any kind of help, so can you tell me about that help? Okay. About the figure. You have to telling me. So now, my dear students, start the. I have put heading or that conclusion. So, okay. Figure number two. Can I represent the figure number two on? Can I represent the figure number two?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So look, beta, done this figure. इसमें भी same method. We have to apply the same method. No need to draw the figure. Okay, no need to draw the sorry hands. Figure में hands draw करने compulsory नहीं है. But my points all. Okay, so now I hope you have done all of you.
Sir, done.
Done, beta. This are also done. So who is showing me that figure? कौन मुझे रिप्रेजेंट शो करेगा ये?
Sir, figure drawn.
Drawn this figure.
Sir, done.
Sir,
Very
done.
good. Okay, chalo. So then after we will write the
Sir, done.
what we will going to be write. चलो now what we have to left here. यहाँ पर हमें क्या कंप्लीट करना है अभी कंक्लूजन. All my dear students done. मोहम्मद अब्बास बेटा done. रेहान मुनी
Yes, sir.
done बेटा.
Sir, doing.
All my dear students.
Sir, done.
Very good. चलो done all of you. चलो now not
Yes,
done the
sir.
conclusion all of you. Okay, observation after conclusion, not down the conclusion with me, all of you. So, who is going to telling me about the conclusion? Who is telling me about the conclusion? चलो हम लोग कंक्लूजन क्या निकाल सकते हैं? कौन मुझे बताएगा? What is the conclusion we are going to be mentioned in this practical? Tell me, dear all. चलो tell me बेटा. Who is going to telling me? Tell me about the conclusion. What
Sir,
we concluded. Observation को तो हमें पता ही है, but conclusion मुझे कौन बताएगा? चलो. Chalo, am I waiting? I am waiting, all of you.
first in first figure we conclude that the pile of carom will go in the hole when we hit that pile. And second figure, when we hit the smooth card paper, it will slide down and the coin will go inside the glass.
Arre wow, that is the observation, beta. Very good, excellent, Mohammed Saqib. Now you are telling me about the what? About the conclusion. Chalo, this is you said me the observation. Now you are to telling me. Now you have to tell me here about the what? About the that all conclusion. Tell me, beta. Tell me. Try to tell me in your term. Okay. An object's remain state a rest of uniform motion in straight line unless income uncompelled to the change that state by unbalance applied the force. This is known as the laws of inertia. Means the surface of carom is not or surface of cardboard is a what very difficult is rough. So we cannot beat easily. What we can't we can't beat easily. Okay, we want a smooth surface. We want a smooth surface. Well, my dear students, understood? So हमें smooth surface करनी होगी. आया बेटा समझ में? So
Yes, sir.
we have to apply the some other objects. Okay, चलो. So now note down the conclusion here all. मैं यहाँ पर conclusion लिखवा रहा हूँ. चलो. चलो लिखना स्टार्ट करो बेटा. Okay, done. चलो. So conclusion is an object. Mohammed Abbas, are you there? Done, beta. You are not showing me the today you are not showing me the figure. Otherwise, in each and every lecture you are showing me your figure. An object remains in a state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless complete to change that state by an applied force. What is the meaning of applied force, all of you? Can you tell me what is the meaning of applied force?
To hit the card paper or the strike.
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड. अप्लाइड फोर्स हम लोग इज द एक्सटर्नल और इंटरनल. इट्स द इंटरनल फोर्स, सॉरी एक्सटर्नल फोर्स. Okay, and as per Sakib tell us it's a hitting for कॉइन हिट करना बीट करना होता है हमें कॉइन को, इसीलिए that force we have to apply and that is called a law of inertia. Inertia. Chalo done. So now note down the conclusion. Mohammad Abbas, after complete this practical, you have to showing me, beta. Chalo, note down the conclusion, all my dear students. Do fast. So done, all my dear students.
Sir, it,
Chalo. Written, beta.
sir, return.
Written, beta. Chalo. Okay. Who is going to be read this?
Sir, return.
This.
Sir, can I read?
Yes, beta. Yes, Abdullah.
Conclusion. An object remains in a state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change that state by an applied force. This is known as law of inertia.
Okay, now who is going to be read further? Yes, Hamza Chauhan. Yes, Hamza Chauhan. But yes, you can. Okay, Muhammad Ali Khetani. Muhammad Ali.
Yes, sir.
Yes, better read. Start the reading.
Conclusion. An object remains in a state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless completed to change that state by an applied force. This is known as law of inertic. Inertic.
Law of inertia. Law of inertia. What better? Law of inertia.
Inertia.
Okay, that is called a law of inertia. Goodbye, points all. Okay. So now who is going to telling me? Okay. Who is going to read further? Zain Ali Rajani. Yes, Zain Ali, beta, tell me. Tell me, Zain Ali. Tell me, beta, Zain Ali. Okay, now who is going to be read? Yes, Muhammad Abbas. You have to read it, beta. Yes, Muhammad Abbas. A reader, why you are not answering all? Okay, yes, Saqib. Mehndi Gabrani, are you there, Mehndi? Mehndi, are you there, Mehndi? Gabrani Mehndi.
Yes, sir.
Beta, you have to read it.
Okay, sir. Conclusion. An object remains in a state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line
Yes, very good.
as complete to change the state by.
Completed. Yes, very good.
This is known as law of
Inertia.
inertia.
Very good. Law of inertia. Very good. Okay, chalo. So now I hope you all have understood, all of you. Now I'm going to present here the what I'm going to be present here the videos. Okay, video means how we will going to be perform that experiment. Okay, chalo. And we are going to be present and हम लोग इनिशिया के इनिशिया के जो वो है क्या वो भी हम देखने जा रहे हैं कि व्हाट अदर एग्जांपल ऑफ इनिशिया. Okay, Muhammad Abbas, are you there? Saqib, are you there? Khetani, are you there? So I want a reply,
Yes, sir.
beta. Any have been there?
Yes, sir.
Beta done, Muhammad Abbas. Figure, you have done the figure. See, okay, inertia of the body. What is the meaning of inertia of the body? There are the certain experience that we have come across. Can you tell me all? Chalo, beta. See, but the when applies, see, it's called inertia. That is all example of inertia. ये सब inertia के examples हैं. ये सब क्या है inertia के example and that you have to keep it in mind. That all example you have to keep it in mind. Got my points all. चलो. Force and law of the motion activity ये उसकी activities है. Means practically perform कैसे करने वाले हैं, वो है. चलो ये क्या है कैरम बोर्ड. ये हमारा प्रैक्टिकल्स पूरा एक्टिविटी बेस के ऊपर इन लोगों ने दिया हुआ है. So you have to remember that is that what see atom the short horizon पूरी प्रैक्टिकल प्रोसेस आ चुकी. आया बेटा समझ में. चलो. सो लो ऑब्जर्वेशन देखो. ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या था ये आप प्रैक्टिकल से आप the lowest coin is the removed. The other coins make that fall vertically on the table. Okay, see. Saqib, can you explain this better? Saqib, can you explain me this law of inertia? I mean, ये practicals तुम मुझे परफॉर्म करके बताएगा बेटा. Yes, Saqib. Saqib, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Can you explain it to me?
In first point, they explain that when we hit the pile, the last pile is go in the hole. And in second,
Okay, very good.
when we hit
Then,
paper, the coins will remain on its place and go in the glass tumbler.
okay, very good on. Chalo, very good, Saqib. Very good, beta. Chalo. Now further, okay, now further check the concept of. ओके द कंक्लूजन. चलो हम लोग ने जो कंक्लूजन लिखा है और डिस्क्राइब द फॉल ऑफ अदर कॉइन्स वर्टिकली इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इनेशिया. फॉल ऑफ अदर कॉइन्स वर्टिकली इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इनेशिया. लोग के लिए हम लोग एक ही कॉइन पर बीट करते हैं एंड सराउंडिंग द ऑल कॉइन्स आर गोइंग टू इन अ हॉल. So what is this? What is the conclusion? It's conclusion of Four's law of motion and it's called inertia. Inertia नाम दिया गया हुआ है किसको? Four's एंड लॉ ऑफ द मोशन. मोशन आप लोग बीट करेंगे तो बीट करने से पहले तो पोजीशन हैंड की कैसी होगी एंड वो जो कॉइन है वो बीट करेगा एंड दैट कॉइन विल बिकम इन मोशन. क्या? दैट कॉइन विल बिकम इन द मोशन. वो मोशन में आएगा. अंडरस्टूड. एंड देन इट्स कॉल्ड अ फोर्स. आपने फोर्स किया पहले कॉइन को बीट कॉइन को अपने हैंड से स्ट्राइकर से आपने क्या किया? कॉइन को पुश करा, फोर्स करा, इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल फोर्स दिया एंड देन इट विल बिकम इन द मोशन. आप एक्सटर्नल फोर्स दो एंड देन इट विल बिकम इन द मोशन. So what happened? It's the law of inertia. Can you tell me what about the other example of the inertia? Can you tell me, beta? Hello. Who is going to telling me? Chalo, tell me, beta. Okay, so this is you can't understand that other example. Okay, what about the cycle? Cycle को क्या क्या आप करते हो? Cycle is this what? Cycle is that actually the working model of the inertia. Okay, cycle क्या pendle जो लगाओ, so that is the external force. External force दिया and that it will